everybody, I am Dr. Andrea Bishop, and I just wanted to give you a brief preview of how to find and access your classes for when classes start next week. You're always going to want to start with Pipeline, so this is your URL for that, pipeline.harding.edu. That's where you want to start. Go ahead and bookmark that because that's an essential website for you. Pipeline.harding.edu. When you are here, you're going to log in with your email and password that you set up when you set up your Harding account. As that pulls up, I wanted to say a couple of things. So the first thing is that Pipeline has basically all the information you're going to need as a student, and it takes some clicking around to find everything that you might need, but basically look under your student tab here and click around, familiarize yourself with everything that's here. You'll be able to find information about your classes. You'll be able to get information about your grades. You will find information from the registrar for making payments. It's all here in your student tab. Now, if we go back to the top of the page, there are some important buttons up here that will make your life much easier. Right here, the Google will take you directly to your Harding email, which you need to check regularly. All official email from the university will go to your Harding email account. So make sure you're checking that on a daily basis. Secondly, this button is the button for the library. I'll go ahead and click on that and show you something really quick. If you need to do some research for one of your classes, this is a great place to start. You can do your keyword searches here, but you can also scroll down here on the right and click on this chat button to talk to a librarian. And they're fantastic, they're wonderful humans, and they'll be great to work with. So I highly recommend that. And finally, this button right here is your Canvas button. And Canvas takes us to our classes. So this is an important button for us. So we click on that, and it's going to take us to whatever class you are registered in. So you'll probably have to click on that class and open it up, and your page will look something like this. It may not look exactly like this, but it'll look something like this. So this is the student view of a class that I'm in, and it's wrapping up right now. But I wanted to show you a couple of places that will be helpful for you. So the first thing is, if you click on the home button, you should find the Start Here module. The Start Here module is sort of like module 0. It's the things that you need to do before you jump into the first module. Almost every class in the program will have some things you need to read through in that Start Here module, including an introduction assignment where you introduce yourself to the class. So that's what you need to do on Sunday when class opens, is go to the Start Here module. If you just continue to scroll down through, you'll find module 1, which will be your first week of work, and then you'll scroll down to module 2, and you just keep on going all the way to week 8. All the information that you need is in each individual module. As you're in Canvas, you should have a to-do list here on the right-hand side, and those are populated from the calendar, the schedule calendar from the class. So students in this particular class have a discussion question due. They had one due on April 20th. They had something due on April 23rd. So these are the to-do lists that you would want to work through. And once you complete them, those disappear from your to-do list. So that's an important, helpful tool there on your right. On the left, there are several things that are helpful. One of them is this box here, this inbox, which is your Canvas email. So sometimes your instructor will post something in your Canvas email. It will also go to your Harding email, but a lot of times it's easier to just check it while you're in Canvas, so you don't have to exit, go back to Pipeline, and check your email. So this is a good important box. Your calendar will also have all of these items on it. Your courses will be listed here. Your dashboard will look, oh, it looks different. Sorry. I'll go back. Sorry about that. We want to look at this. So there are things like, I'm not going to click on all of these right now because if I do, I might show some student information. But you can look at your grades here. You can look at your discussion list here. Your syllabus is here. Basically, all the important things should be here on your left-hand column, and they should be exactly what you need to be successful in the class. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to me. I am here to help, as is your instructor. So let us know how we can help you and best serve you. And welcome, and we're excited to get started.